colleagues, we all witnessed recently on Rasthrya Pakshi Diwas. We heard a report on Pachmani trip, and then the children took part in Tingoli Literary Festival. They were felicitated. Congratulations, all of them. The theme teaches us, guides us to be more careful towards nature. Unfortunately, modern way of living, modern way of construction of the building especially, and then encroaching the forests, we have deprived the animals, the birds, from their natural habitat. We seldom see eagles, vultures, sparrows, which were very common some 20 to 30 years before. With the extinction of many birds, it is becoming difficult for the ecosystem to survive. You must be studying from class 6, 7 onwards that there is an ecosystem. We are all dependent on each other. Plants, animals, birds, human beings, all of us have a role to play in. And we call ourselves as human beings to be the most intelligent among everyone. Unfortunately, we have brought more disaster to planet Earth than any other plant or animal. So it becomes our duty now that we should do something for that, so that the ecosystem sustains. We cannot go back to constructing and living in huts as we were doing earlier. Modern buildings will be there, but what we can do is we can make some provision for the birds to come and stay. If you go to YouTube, we have various suggestions how to make small boxes which we can install in our houses, in the terraces, where these birds can come and have their nests. Provide water if you are living in houses with roofs. Provide water to them. Give some grains so that they can come and eat. Don't throw stones at them. Love animals. And thereby give some service towards nature. We saw beautiful dance by these girls. I could see the enthusiasm of the children who had gone to Pachmani to present their rewards. There were many of them. Those of us who saw the photographs and videos, I will try to share it with everyone. We were able to see them enjoying various sports that they mentioned. It was nice to see, as mentioned in the report by one of the students, the teachers acted as friends also there. When these trips are conducted, they are conducted with a lot of care. And we need to now thank the mighty Lord for blessing this particular trip. With all his blessings, everything went well, children behaved well. The reports that we got from Pachmani, not from the teachers, from the hotel owners, from the other citizens of Pachmani, was something that we need to feel proud. And here I would congratulate all the students for putting across exemplary behavior under the guidance of the teachers. You can clap for all the students who are gone for this particular activity. That's really so nice. And even the total staff appreciated that. This is what we need to aim whenever we go out. We should always remember that we carry the responsibility of our parents and the institute where we are studying. So when we bring back these kind of feedback, the institute feels proud, your parents will feel proud. So in the coming years, I look forward to such reports, such behavior from each one of you.